Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your type text emoji to the emoji icon on Slack. And let me show you what I mean. So if I currently open up a message of someone that I want to write, and let's say I type, for example, the colon here with the D, you will see that if I send it, it still shows as the letter, as you can see here, and the letter and the special character. But you can easily change that by clicking on your account on the lower left side. Go to preferences, go to where it says messages and media, scroll down, and you will find the option that says convert type emoticons to so they become obviously emojis, right? So if you enable that and just simply go back, you will see if I type that, it now changes into emoji. So that's how you can easily go ahead. And I believe that this is pretty useful because some people just basically know the letters or the special character that they want to be able to, use or add an emoji. So you can easily go ahead and enable that feature so that you can convert them very easily. That's pretty much it.